Hey everyone, this is Carol, and today I'm gonna show you the new desktop application. Okay, the desktop application is available now for Mac and also Windows, and you can test it at any time. So today I'm gonna show you how that's gonna work. Okay, since most of the users are familiar with the web application, I will just show how the desktop could work for you. Okay, here you're already familiar with the web app. Uh, Jumping to your calls, you have the calendar connected, you have the bot, but the desktop application is a solution if you like to have an alternative to a bot, okay? Meaning that no bot will join the call and you will record it directly from your application, okay? So the first step is basically download the application. Once you install it into your computer, you're gonna have this app running in your computer. As I say, it works for Mac OS, starting at M1 chips, and for Windows computers. So once you download it, it's going to have all your account synced here. It's the same account in the web app here on the desktop. So in case you like to record your meeting, start recording it, you can basically come over here and click to start a recording. Okay, it will prompt to select a screen. Okay, you could select the entire screen or a specific window. Okay, and then start recording it. Also, in case you jump into a Google Meet, Zoom, Teams call, it will just have a pop-up in your computer asking if you'd like to record a meeting. Okay, and then you can just accept. You could have the bot since you have the calendar synced, or if you don't have the calendar synced, you already have this as a process. Okay, so you have two options: the bot and not and a non-bot option using the desktop application. So more things here besides having the recording section. You can upload files in here. Okay, you can upload files to record and to transcribe, and also take notes of the recording. And you also have here full control, just like your web application. You have full control over your meetings here in case you have the calendar synced. Okay. Another thing, it's the same thing that you do have here in the web app is the chat with your meetings. You can ask questions to your AI chat, and I can reply to you with information about your meetings, your past meetings. Okay, so this is a very good way of having the recordings of your meetings without expecting for a bot to join your calls. It's a more effective way of recording meetings, so to say, and you can action it, you can control it at any time, so you have more control over all your recordings and meetings, when to prompt, when not. Okay, so one last thing is that you can select a microphone. Some users, they have multiple microphones devices synced in the desktop or notebooks. So you can use it here and select the best camera that you like to use, the microphone as well. So as I say, you have control over everything: your meetings, your recordings, and your devices. Okay, so how to test it? It's just basically, as usual, you can come over here, download your desktop application, and then start using it the same way that you use it for you've been using for your meetings. Okay, if you have more questions, you can read our guide or reach out to us. Thank you. Bye bye.